Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be showing you how to apply the Olixar 2-in-1 film screen protector to the Huawei P30 Pro. The application process is the same for the P30 model also, so if you do have this you can still follow the steps in this video. Before we begin, take a moment to check you have a clean and flat workspace and remove your P30 Pro from its case. I recommend you check your phone doesn't already have a protective film applied. If you find it does, just simply peel it away. Start by taking the cleaning wipe and give the display a thorough wipe down. This will remove any traces of oil or dirt that are on the screen. Next, take the microfiber cloth and dry the screen, before finally using the dust removal stickers to dab away like so. This will take away any remaining pieces of dust and lint. Olixar provides you with a little backstop that you can position at the top of your phone to keep it in place when you apply the protector. If you'd prefer not to use this, you can use a book or something with a little weight to keep your phone in place. Now you can turn your attention to the screen protector and begin removing the first protective film, taking care not to touch the middle piece of adhesive. Next, lower the protector to your phone, ensuring it matches up perfectly to the display. Use the pressure of your finger to smooth out the adhesive in the middle. This will help to secure it to your phone. Carefully lift up the top half of the protector to 90 degrees and use the application card to push out the protective film. Repeat this process for the bottom half of the protector. This will secure the adhesive to your phone. At this point, I'd advise smoothing out the edges with your fingers and applying pressure around the tab at the bottom. Doing this will make sure the protector doesn't peel away when you remove the top protective film. Once you're happy the protector is secured, you can go ahead and remove the protective film. At this point, you shouldn't have any bubbles, but if you do find you have one here or there, simply use the pressure of your finger to ease them out. Once this is complete, you will be left with a well-applied screen protector that protects your latest handset's display from scratches while not affecting the sensitivity of the screen. Huawei's latest in-display fingerprint reader works flawlessly with this protector. We tested it out multiple times and had no issues. This gives you perfect touch precision, so typing, browsing the web, or even playing games can be done with no limitations. While having a film screen protector does maintain the phone's slim nature, it may not hold up too well to harsh drops. That being said, it does a fantastic job of protecting against light scratches and scrapes that come from general use. One advantage over a glass screen protector is it's virtually invisible, making it compatible with any phone case. This means you can give your latest handset 360-degree protection at all times. In a lot of cases, this style of protector has a noticeable touch. However, the Olixar film protector replicates the feel of the phone, meaning you'll barely notice it's on at all. One thing I really like is this pack comes with 2 screen protectors, so if the application doesn't go quite right the first time or you find the protector comes away over time, you can repeat the process without purchasing another protector. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to protect their display without taking anything away from the sleek and premium feel of their phone. That's all we have for this video. I hope you found this application tutorial useful. If you'd like more information or to purchase Olixar's twin pack screen protector, I'll leave a link in the description and comments of this video.